This was such a good idea to go hiking.
I know, right?
And the kids need to get some fresh air. I mean, they're always on their Kindles.
I know. Why do we even have to go hiking? Like, I hate it. I know, I just want to go inside. It's so cold outside too. Yeah, and our mommy's like, you need fresh air. Like, what? I know! Why do we need fresh air? There's no reason. I think maybe we should just walk at our own pace and the mommies go first. Maybe we can even run away.
Girls, just look at all these flowers and all the nature around us.
Wow, yeah, so pretty. Wow. Hey, Mommy, look at that flower over there. How about you go stare at that for a long time?
I mean, if you want. I mean, that's a little weird, but okay, I'll go look at it.
This is our chance. I know.
We're pretty far away now. I wonder if our mommy is wondering where we are.
I know.
I hope they're not scared.
At least we're not. Is that a dog? Oh, look how cute! Well, doggy, maybe you can help us find our mommies, because we can't really find them, and we're kind of far away from home. Yeah. Maybe if we let him sniff us, he'll get our scent that he can send out our moms and find them. Here, doggy, smell me.
Okay.
Follow that dog. Yeah.
I'm really worried about them. Do you know where they are?
I don't know. Are they hiding from us?
It's been like hours.
I know.
I wonder where they are. I'm really nervous. Man, I'm really worried about them. I wonder where they went. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Girls, you're here.
Hi, Mommy. We missed you.
Oh, hi. Hi. Do you know who this dog is?
Yeah, he helped us found you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's so nice.
Oh. At least you girls are safe. Don't run away from me again. I was so scared.
We're sorry. We didn't mean it. We're just kind of bored of this whole hiking thing. Yeah, we're not really into it. Yeah, we'd rather play on our Kindles.
Okay. Kindles it is then. Okay, thank you guys for watching.
Please like,
comment,
and subscribe.
Bye.